Home Remedies presents how to make fruits, herbs infused extracts at home. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you how to extract any botanical ingredient. This is following my last video in which there was a need to get the bael fruit extract. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Well, the procedure is quite simple. There are two ways to get the extract of any botanical ingredient: alcoholic and non-alcoholic. The procedure is same, just that in alcoholic we use vodka as a base, and in non-alcoholic extract we use either vinegar or glycerine as a base. Ingredients: 8-ounce glass bottle or mason jar. Procedure: for any base solvent used, you have to firstly chop up larger pieces of the fruit or herbs and place your herbs or other botanicals in the mason jar. If you are using fully dried herbs, fill the jar halfway. For fresh or slightly dried herbs, fill the jar about 3/4 full. For fresh fruits and roots, don't exceed the halfway point of the jar. Up to this step, it is same for all the types. Next, I will mention how to pour in the base for infusion. Using vodka base. Pour vodka into bottle to fill, leaving a ½ inch space between the vodka and the top of the bottle. Shake the mixture well before covering. Close the lid and let it infuse. Keep the jar in a cool, dry cupboard. Shake the jar at least once a day for a month. Then strain the mixture through cheesecloth and pour the clear extract into a clean jar or several small dropper bottles. Using vinegar base. Vinegar is readily available and inexpensive, making it easy to use. The remaining procedure is same as using vodka. Using glycerine base. The other common extract solvent is vegetable glycerine. If you don't see this food grade product at your supermarket, look for it at drugstores, health food markets, or larger retailers. Mix to the ratio of about 3 parts vegetable glycerine to 1 part water and shake the mixture well. Then proceed with the recipe as usual. Infusion time: a month or 6 weeks. That's how you will be able to make your own any fruit or herb extracts at home. I hope it is clear. Warning: before application, be sure to test the extract on a small area of skin to make sure no allergic reaction results. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.